Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Crunchy, healthy and delicious, why Kangkong chips are the next big snack. Ever heard of Kangkong chips? These crispy, golden snacks are taking the healthy food scene by storm. Made from water spinach, a staple in Southeast Asian cuisine, they're light, crunchy, and packed with nutrients. Unlike traditional potato chips, Kangkong chips offer a unique twist with their mild, earthy flavor. They're air-fried or baked, making them a guilt-free alternative for snack lovers. Plus, they're gluten-free and vegan-friendly. Originally popular in the Philippines, Kangkong chips are now gaining fans worldwide. Whether you're health-conscious or just craving something new, these chips are worth a try. Let's break down what makes them so special. What are Kangkong chips? Kangkong chips are the crispy, flavorful answer to snack cravings, without the guilt. Made from water spinach, a leafy green packed with nutrients, these chips strike a balance between earthy taste and satisfying crunch. Whether baked or fried, they bring a fresh take on snacking, rooted in tradition but perfect for modern diets. Definition and origin. Kangkong, or water spinach, is a fast-growing leafy vegetable common in Southeast Asia. Its tender leaves and stems are stir-fried, steamed, or, most recently, transformed into chips. The process is simple. Thin slices of kangkong are lightly seasoned, then baked or fried until crisp. This snack has deep ties to Filipino cuisine, where kangkong grows abundantly in wet soils. Street vendors and home cooks turned it into chips as a clever way to reduce waste and create a portable, savory bite. Now, it's a staple at local markets and gaining traction globally as a healthier alternative to potato chips. Nutritional profile. Kangkong chips aren't just tasty, they're loaded with nutrients. Since they're made from whole leaves, they retain many of water spinach's benefits. Vitamins A and C supports immunity and skin health. Iron helps maintain energy levels. Fiber keeps digestion smooth and hunger in check. Air-fried or lightly baked versions cut back on oil, making them even better for snacking. Compared to processed potato chips, they offer more vitamins per crunch. Imagine biting into something crispy that also fuels your body, no trade-offs needed. The next time you reach for a snack, consider swapping standard chips for kangkong. Your taste buds, and your health, might thank you. How kangkong chips are made. Turning water spinach into crispy, addictive chips takes a mix of technique and creativity. Whether made at home or in a factory, the goal is the same. Keep the crunch without losing the natural flavors. Traditional versus modern production methods. Home cooks often start by sun-drying thinly sliced kangkong to remove moisture, then deep fry it in oil for a quick, crackling finish. This method locks in a rustic crunch but can be uneven. Some chips turn out darker or oilier than others. Commercial producers skip the sun-drying step and use dehydrators for consistent moisture removal. Baking or air frying replaces deep frying, cutting down on oil while keeping the chips light and crisp. Industrial machines also ensure uniform thickness, so every chip snaps the same way. Key ingredients and seasonings. The flavor of kangkong chips comes down to simple pairings. Salt is a must, but the fun starts with extras that add depth or heat. Chili powder. A pinch gives a slow building warmth. Garlic powder brings a savory kick without overpowering the greens. Vinegar or citrus zest adds tang to balance the earthiness. Some versions go bold with cheese dust or shrimp powder, proving how versatile these chips can be. The trick is keeping seasonings light enough to let the kangkong's natural taste shine through. Whether you're experimenting at home or grabbing a bag off the shelf, the process behind these chips shows how a humble vegetable can become something extraordinary. Health benefits of Kangkong chips. Snacking doesn't have to mean compromising on health. Kangkong chips offer a rare win, flavor and nutrition in one crispy bite. Water spinach brings a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals to the table, making these chips more than just a tasty alternative to potato chips. Low-calorie alternative. A handful of potato chips can easily derail a day's healthy eating, packed with calories, refined oils, and empty carbs. Kangkong chips fit the script. A standard serving contains roughly half the calories of traditional potato chips, with almost no saturated fat. Water spinach's natural lightness means you can snack freely without the guilt. Air frying or baking reduces oil absorption even further. Compare that to greasy potato chips, and it's clear why health-conscious snackers are making the switch. That's it for part 1. We've prepared the Kangkong chips and they're looking great. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll take them to the next level and serve them up. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.